Hello applicant, to submit your application for reinstatement, kindly follow the steps. Step 1. Log into the ECSA self-service portal via the ECSA website. Log in using your username and password. If you have never used the portal or have forgotten your password, please send an email to retentions@ecsa.co.za for assistance. If you have used the self-service portal before, do not create a new account as this will create a duplicate profile. Once you have successfully logged in, your name should appear on the right-hand side of the screen. If you want to change or update your password, click Change Password. You will also be required to accept the terms and conditions. Please read them carefully before accepting. Step 2. Update your personal information. You will be prompted to review and update your information. Mandatory fields are marked with a red asterisk. It is important that you update your billing address, as this is the address that will appear on your invoice once your application has been submitted. If your employer will be making payment on your behalf, please ensure that you provide the relevant company details, including the VAT number. Once you have reviewed and updated your information, return to the home page to continue. Step 3. Start your reinstatement application. To begin your application, click on the Reinstatement Application module. Whether you are applying for professional reinstatement or candidate reinstatement, click View More. A history of your previous applications will be displayed on this page. To start a new application, click Create. You will be required to accept the POPIA policy. Once you have accepted the policy, click Next to proceed. Step 4. Verify your details. This page will require you to verify your details. This is a read-only page, and the date and reason for your cancellation will be displayed here. The cancellation information and personal details remain visible. Please note that you will not be able to update any information on this page. If any details are incorrect, please return to your profile and update them before proceeding. Once you have confirmed that your details are correct, click Confirm. Step 5. Click Next to continue. The application progresses to the next stage. On this page, you will see your candidate details, including your personal and registration information. Please review the information carefully and make sure that all the details displayed are correct. Once you have confirmed that your details are correct, click Next to continue. For candidate reinstatement applications, supporting documents are not required. The application will therefore proceed directly to the declaration step. Step 6. You are now at the declaration stage. Please read the information and notes carefully before accepting the declaration. Once you have completed the declaration, select Submit to finalize your application. A confirmation page will appear once your application has been submitted successfully. Step 7. Track your application. To track the progress of your application, return to the home page, select the Reinstatement Application module, and click View More. The Reinstatement Application History table is displayed. The latest application and its status are visible. Your most recent application will be displayed together with its current status in the process. You can use this section to monitor the progress of your reinstatement application. Step 8. Invoice issuance. Following the successful submission of your application, you should receive your invoice within 72 hours. Please note that your application will only be processed once your payment has cleared and is reflected as paid. Payments usually take up to 72 hours to clear. This concludes the candidate reinstatement application process. Thank you for using the ECSA self-service portal. An effective regulator, assuring public safety.